Hey campers, I'm Elias surname, and today we're going camping. We're going camping! Amanda, Joey, and Tony. Waiting for Arthur and Maya, and then we're gonna go head out.
Yeah, I seen people on rap on this book.
Rap on this one?
Yeah.
Oh, they do rap with Dr. Seuss?
I thought they do it with Goodnight Llama.
Oh yeah, they're like llama llama, my pajama. It's like,
Bravo.
I'm so ugly.
Question, dang.
Where are the Asian Barbies at?
They're not Barbie. They don't have it. Those are. Oh wait.
There's one right.
Do they make Asian baby dolls?
They should.
I think they make baby dolls of every race
Yeah.
and
Look at that.
ethnicity.
Depends on the company.
What?
No,
these.
We're taking them.
Oh, look at this little backpack. What would you use this for?
Your nickels and your dimes.
Keychain and then put a smaller backpack in.
Oh, I guess so.
Or
Yeah.
ponies. It's gonna be hella cold, bro.
I know.
To cook.
You tired?
Feel me?
Yeah. Waving. Yes, I was recording. Oh my gosh, they came at the exact same time. Why are you fighting that? He's just a chill guy.
Joey.
It's been a quarter.
Were you doing ASMR?
Yeah, I have a
Hey everyone, we're on our way to.
It's vlog time.
It is vlog time. About a 2-hour drive.
Are you ready for it?
I'm so ready.
Are you ready for it? Actually.
I'm ready.
Pre-camp interview.
It's like Scotland.
I just woke up, bro.
How do you feel?
Alright.
Alright.
How do you feel, bro? Just chill.
I feel chill, yeah. It's pretty calm. How about you?
Oh, the sea though.
so good.
Oh, he's getting out, he's getting out. Roll out the carpet, guys.
You need to.
Hey guys. Almost there. Okay. That's go away. That's so. Why did he do that?
What do you mean, why did he do that?
Why would he do that?
He's an entrepreneur.
Preemptive.
Locked in for driving.
Dude, this is just... How do we go?
Hands are kind of dirty.
Guys, he dirtied up my camera.
Here, towels. This is day one at the campsite. I think Maya's gonna get the most drunkest. Blackout, I'm predicting it right now. As for the least,
No, he's gonna get the drunkest.
For sure?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Elias surname, and we're at the campsite. I feel like I'm in like the Hunger Games right now, but when Rue dies, but like right there, and then she like puts all the flowers there. That's what it feels like.
Will you follow me?
Okay.
Like smooth.
Okay.
And I'm gonna be walking that way, and then
What
you
is-
follow me under. Like,
What is it? 824, bro. Oh, we gotta take the shoes off at the door, guys. How am I gonna do this? Whoa! Alright, Tor. Okay, we can switch.
Yeah, look, you guys.
Yeah. Is this all your stuff right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
very roomy.
We can put all like the snacks and stuff in this section.
Or they could be in a corner, relegated away from everything else.
Wait, I like our little window here. Here's the view, guys. We can see our neighbors.
I think I heard something in the trees.
Actually? We can't find where Tony went. Yeah, that's it.
I killed him.
Don't say that. Oh my gosh.
Guys, where is he?
Try again.
Where is he?
Guys, have you seen Tony?
Take.
You wanna start it off?
No.
Yes. From
Hey.
outside.
Everyone can hear us on the.
10.
Oh,
You can hear
thin walls.
Thin walls.
I think Elias has been taking my food source. I'm not sure what to do with this information yet, but big things coming. More?
That is not how you. There's no way.
Wasn't catching. What?
My gosh.
What's that for?
To block the rain.
There's no rain.
It's tripping over.
Nah, no, we don't need this.
Get the pan on
smoke.
Is it at the store?
Yeah, someone go collect them.
You wanna text him?
We should get an axe. Look
I
at.
gave him my phone.
Oh, you
And
did
then I had
have
service,
service.
yeah.
You still want to go?
They're getting ice, right?
So they can get firewood too.
Get an axe.
An axe?
Where are they gonna get an axe from?
Why do you...
Look at the logs.
It's gonna be wet.
They're
though.
wet though. They're not
I
gonna
mean-
burn.
We need to soak, cause they're soaked. So we just put it on the side, so they
Oh.
dries.
You can get some sticks.
I mean everything. Nah, that's not gonna work good. It's gonna be very smoky. Look at that's already very smoky. The starter.
Yeah, we like a little smoke in our
Yeah.
meat. Gives it flavor.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
If you see firewood, would you get some, please?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Great, thanks. Bye. That was a
Nah.
two-point
No,
conversation.
how are you?
Oh, it's gonna take a while.
This is a burger patty. It looks like minced meat.
Wait, this is not.
It is. It's impossible.
It literally is impossible. Ew, guys,
Wait,
cover
but we
the
can-
butter.
You're not vegan.
Well, butter is beef.
Is it?
Butter's not beef. Can you do an Australian accent?
Roy. Crikey. That's all I got.
If you say rise up lights, it sounds like razor blades in an Australian accent.
Rise up lights. Oh my gosh, it does. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, I can't do an Australian accent. We're surviving in the wilderness, and we're sorry, I just hit Tony in the head. And that's what we think it looks like when it's done. She might get like salmonella after this, but well, it's not me, so okay.
It's gonna taste really bad.
Oh shit. We don't need it. This is good. This is good.
Oh, see, we need the umbrella now. You felt that?
Yeah, I think we can flip for now.
What?
Here's a ton. That's a mini ton,
Bro
bro.
thought he was Superman.
Yeah, that look good.
Ooh, okay.
Aw.
Ooh.
What? What?
Ew. Oh, the fire just died.
No.
What do we do now, guys?
I think this lid is more trouble than it's worth.
Yeah.
We just blew the freaking fire out.
I think it'll be easier with the logs once they get here. I feel like we should stick to that.
But maybe not for this meal because we're committed.
What is burning? It just is too high. You know what I mean?
Okay, I don't know what hour it is, but we're all starving and we only have 2 burgers cooked.
Bro,
More like 1.5.
be more optimistic. Well, we just figured out how to cook the burgers.
We knew how to cook the burgers. It's just raining.
It's not looking good,
Where's the buns, bro?
but it has to eat.
I don't know, man. Everyone else don't like it. They're trying to make me eat it. I don't know what y'all trying to get me to eat, but
Oh, I bet if we leave it open right here, but close the bottom, then it'll be better.
That's kind of smart, yeah.
There, we might have to just get in and out like from the top. What's going on? This area?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's starting to puddle.
Yeah, I think we should, I mean, obviously keep it closed, but when we can't keep it closed, open this top part, leave the bottom part closed.
Okay.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm just gonna close it all the way. This, like it's unused, and it looks like it might have a cover on it.
Okay. I mean, it's not reserved, so. There's wood on it.
Too bad.
Where?
Let's take it.
It's day 2 out here. We're low on food. I'm gonna try to make something out of a couple insects over here. Things aren't looking good. I think I might have to start cooking.
Cooking who? Guys, I'm low-key losing track of time. I don't know what time it is. I don't know how many days it's been. All we've had to eat was the raw burgers. We might be going crazy. I might be craving some more raw meat. I don't know. Oh.
Alright, hi guys. Welcome to the Lunchly review. As you can see, I got the pizza version. If you look closely, you can see there is no mold. All been propaganda.
No, it's not. There was mold.
This also came with a drink. This is the Prime Cherry Freeze. You don't like it? We'll try that out today. And let's get right to opening it.
Alright, so it's hard to open?
It's a little hard to open.
Your kid could open it?
Maybe when I was a kid. I could probably do it. Alright, see it came with everything. We also got the Milk Crunch Feastables chocolate bar.
Wow.
That part's
One of my personal favorites of the Mr. Beast brand.
all the bars gonna come over here.
Okay. So we have the sauce. We're gonna try to make the pizza right now.
Okay, that's
there's
enough of this.
A little here.
Okay.
No? I'm gonna spread that around. Kinda wish it would have came with the
Ew.
spreader, yeah. It's kind of hard to spread.
You hear that, Mr. Beast? Get a spreader with it.
Yeah, if Mr. Beast is watching,
I'm sure he is. I'm sure he's watching.
Okay, and we have nothing for the cheese, so I'm just gonna pick it up.
Yeah.
Spread that all around.
Okay.
Pretty standard.
Okay.
We got a couple of pepperonis in here. I'd say around 10. So I'm just gonna put 2 on my pizza. The big pepperoni guy. And let's try the first bite.
Does not look good.
I'm not a fan. I'm sorry, Mr. Beast, but this just isn't it. It's called the tortilla flour little bread thing that it has. It's very doughy. It's not crunchy. It's not that soft either. It's still really weird in between. The pepperoni is kind of hard to tear through.
Wow, you don't really thorough with this.
And the sauce is okay. I feel like it's better than most of the sauces, especially compared to Lunchables.
Okay.
But I think it's pretty good in terms of sauces. Overall, I think I'd give it around 6 out of 10.
You said it was bad. Why did you give it a 6?
A collection of animals, right? We've seen them as like little figures with the bobble heads. And specifically this capybara like got everyone's attention because it was ugly, apparently. This is what it looks like.
I still think it's ugly.
Because his colors did not match that of a normal capybara. So this capybara is specifically part of the Pet Pears collection, and it's also specifically part of the Generation 7. Out of all the generations they have, Generation 7 is their newest generation. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pets in the City is after 5, and then they have a 5.5 generation. And then Generation 6 is from 2024, and then Generation 7 is what came out this year. Okay, so this specific capybara is part of the Series 2, and it is number 90 on the collection of Generation
guys,
7.
the timer went out, but like...
Very knowledgeable.
Yeah, that is very
Are we
knowledgeable.
judging on whether he fit it into 1 minute, or whether he made it?
I think he has a lot of stuff,
I
yeah.
barely heard anything about the capybara himself.
Yeah, you did talk about a lot about the about Just Little's Pet Shop.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, well,
5.
it's really niche. There's no other info about the capybara.
I wanted to hear about him.
Yeah.
There's no info on him.
What's his name?
Does it have a name?
We don't know what it is.
What's his personality type? I'm not playing! Why do you keep throwing pillow to me?
We don't want to throw the drink. And
Well then, be careful. Careful!
I had to play hot potato, Jesus.
His hand's nowhere near phone. Oh. It stopped.
How you gonna break it?
Break what?
Alright. No, that's my belly.
You be dead.
Here.
Here?
Nah, here.
It's not real, it doesn't have to be real.
Nah, just don't push my food out.
Dead, act dead.
I can't.
Fudge! Fudge! Live! Live, damn it, live!
Bro, you gotta get...
Okay. Should like an 80s thing.
Aerobics.
Yeah. Go. Alright everyone, welcome to yoga lessons. I don't know. This is kind of hard. Joey, yoga lesson, yoga pose would be probably like, we'll do the thinker. I feel like he does this a lot.
Yoga pose?
When you gotta do this a lot, he like does this, right?
No, I do this.
you can try to.
Okay, fine, we'll do
one leg
this.
stand.
We'll do this.
One leg stand. That's a yoga pose.
What do I do for Amanda? I don't know.
It's a hard one.
What do you do?
What do I do, bro?
I don't know, bro. Like,
I just be there.
Yeah, like this.
I just...
Okay. Arthur. I don't know.
Oh, he's got the double D's right now.
Did I do that?
You get
The double D's?
that's the.
Wait.
That's crazy.
Do this. Alright. Why is no one else following along with the
Oh,
the
are we
lesson
learning?
now?
Are we learning?
Is that do it, right?
Yeah.
The Arthur, the Arthur.
The art.
That's crazy.
The Maya. I don't know. What? I don't know. What?
Oh, something spilled.
Oh shit.
Oh,
They popped.
he popped the monster.
The monster popped.
The monster popped.
Sorry.
I didn't even know that could happen. Smells good.
Like monster.
Smells good.
Smells like Red Bull, actually.
Alright, that's the yoga lesson over. I don't. I'm done.
Oh fuck! This pillow, bro.
Got wet.
Yo.
Hey, you got back there really fast?
Yeah. Oh, damn.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Got all the way over there.
Maybe yoga lessons in the tent kind of was a bad decision to do.
They were fake.
Bro. Where? Don't stop play that game, bro. This is a motherfucker.
I guess it was a nice decision we got 500 napkins, huh?
How are we looking on napkins? It's still like,
We got a lot left.
yeah,
Nice.
guys, be more. Use more.
Guys, it's the next morning, and I fall asleep, and our neighbors are like the loudest people ever. Like they're playing filtered by gorillas, but at least they have the music taste.
Alright guys, just woke up, it's around 10:13. Just really loud music.
They're blasting their shit, bruh.
I'm about to go over and say something.
Don't say something. Guys, there's deer over there. Oh my gosh, why are they frozen in place? But like, I know that they're real because their ears are like moving and like twitching. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. They're like frozen in place though. Why are they just staring at me? They're gonna move. I don't know if I should disturb them. Oh. Oh. See, they're fine. That's so cool though. Just walking. Look at how they walk. They move their neck like that. And that's so cute. Okay. Well, I'm going on an exploration since everyone is sleeping and I'm the only one awake. So I'm gonna just walk around and explore. I heard that there's a beach somewhere, so I'm trying to find the beach. I can't find any beach, but I keep finding these deer. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, they're walking as like a little troop. Wait, there's so many of them. Look at that one. Oh. There's something romantic about camping in the woods. Living without service opens one's eyes about the beauty of spending time with loved ones and allows you to discover new things about each other as well as yourself. Spending 24 hours without my phone made me realize how frequently I'll check my apps for a hit of dopamine. However, I learned that there's a rush of dopamine all around us, always, amidst the chaos of trying to start a fire in the rain, or sleeping atop of rocks as the tent slowly floods, or meeting eye to eye with a different animal species. I guess I didn't have to go camping to learn all of this, but something about being outside with nature, isolated from the rest of the world, allows for one to experience the beauty of the wind as it rustles the leaves, or the water rushing the shore, or the dirt that gets stuck in your shoes. Coming to the tree. Oh. A dead man called, now for his love to flee. Strange things that happen here, no stranger would it be. At midnight tree. There has to be an easier way through these. There's literally a road right there I could have taken. Yeah, that's gonna take like hella long. I don't think you want to get off.
Balance the stick on the little part that's coming off of the
He's already off.
No, we can go back.
Yeah. Hi guys. We're at the beach. You can see
Wow.
the ocean's over there.
There's a green screen.
What? Hey.
Oh my god.
What you got there? Oh, hell no.
Come back here.